Now today I'm quite near the border between Scotland and England. Possibly in the background you can see a CASEiH on the roller over there, and behind me we have Arthur Ritchie on a one pass seed drill. So I'll catch him when he comes up, then I'll head away somewhere else, see what else I can find today. So today I'm on my iPhone 12 Pro, and the gimbal, but it's not sitting very level for some reason or other. I need to see when I can get that sorted out. So it's quite a nice day. You can see the wind turbines in the background. I don't think they're actually turning today, as far as I can see. In the background, in the middle of the, hopefully middle of the picture, we'll have a CASEiH with the twin rollers on there. It's not a very handy place to stop and film, so I'll just do it from here. Anyway, it's quite a distance away. I'll make that do for the moment.